Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? You're welcome to this our crypto education series, volume 4. We've been doing this for the better part of 1 month now, and we hope to continue. In this series, we'll teach you all about the evolution of money, how we got to cryptocurrency, how the market cryptocurrency began, and how you can take advantage of that market, and why it is even more better or more profitable to trade the cryptocurrency market than the Forex market. This past week, I had a couple of meetings with some Forex traders, and it was surprising when they were able to see that with the way the crypto market works and the fact that you're actually buying assets and not just speculating on currencies, they saw a lot of potentials in it. And they were actually able to make some money. Mrs. Ofonime from Port Harcourt, you are welcome. So right about now, I want to go straight up to sharing my screen because we want to make sure we get all this done as soon as possible before 9 o'clock. But once again, if you have been made a co-host, please help me add the members on the screen. So if you can hear the sound of my voice, can you just type a Y for yes? If you can hear the sound of my voice, just type a yes. Oh, yes, we see a lot of Ys in the house. Yeah, that's good. So that means that we're good to go. Ngozi, you're welcome. Williams from Lagos, you're welcome. Sonda Joseph, you're welcome. Jabu from London, England. Good to have you, sir. Ebok, right? And all the top members, IB Kaye, you're all welcome to this session. Right. So once again, we want to look at the RoyalQ cryptocurrency trading with artificial intelligence bots. That's what we're on here to look at. And so we cannot start talking about RoyalQ without talking about cryptocurrency. What exactly is cryptocurrency? It's expressly stated right there. If you follow the evolution of money and what money is today, it is clear for you to see that cryptocurrency is the current stage in the evolution of money. That means money has evolved over time from trade by barter system to the gold, to metal coins, to paper money, to plastic money, electronic money, and what we know today as cryptocurrency. And I tell you folks, we are still within the regions of this four different evolutionary stage because we'll still use fiat money. We'll still carry our ATM, debit, and credit cards. We have e-money system like the M-Pesa, which we use in Kenya, like the Momo we use in Ghana. And then we have cryptocurrency, which we just evolve, which we say is the current stage in the evolution of money. And once again, we cannot talk about cryptocurrency without talking about the underlying technology which created it. So when we say crypto, it looks difficult, but crypto is virtual, unseen, it's secret. So cryptocurrency in itself was not just created out of thin air. It was created using the technology called the blockchain technology. The blockchain technology is known as the Internet 2.0. Do you know why? Because unlike the Internet that has the ability to transfer information instantly by clicking enter, with the blockchain technology, you not only transfer information, you transfer value. And what is value? Value is money. So from the words blockchain, block and chains, your transactions are created in blocks and then chain. It is a technology that cannot be erased, that cannot be edited, and cannot be destroyed. And that's why a lot of use cases are being created from the blockchain technology, even though the brainchild of the blockchain technology began from cryptocurrency. Satoshi Nakamoto is the name of the person or the pseudonym of the person who created the blockchain technology. His identity is not known today, whether it's male or female or a group of people, but the author of the Bitcoin white paper. And if you follow your screen, you can see how the transaction runs from when the transaction is created to when it's broadcasted to the network. The network validates the transaction. And all it shows here is the simple process where you can transfer cryptocurrency from point A to point B. So even if you live in Kafanshan and I live in Lagos and I want to send you money via crypto, within 1 minute, you're going to get it. And that's why I want to know the kind of people that are in the house today. If you have ever used crypto, just type a yes. But you've never used crypto before, type a no. I'd like to know most of those people who need to understand how this business works and how it's awesome. Sunday Joseph says yes. William says yes. Tony says yes. Okay, Kelvin, you're welcome from Ado Ekiti. You're a member of RoyalQ. Kelechi says no, yeah, so we got only one no in the house. Yeah, quite a lot of people are saying yes. No says in Sikan. Yeah, Hamzy says no, Jennifer. Okay. Okay, there's nothing wrong in it because you know why? It is less than 5% of the population worldwide that understands what cryptocurrency is and that are actually using cryptocurrency as a means of business, as a means of living. And to all those who have said yes, you quite understand how easy it is to transfer cryptocurrencies. In one of our members' meeting, we will be looking into much more into cryptocurrencies and how it works, mostly breaking down the evolution of money. Right, so there are two different ways you can make money from cryptocurrency, which we call investment strategies. There are two cryptocurrency investment strategies we know. Number one is holding or hodling, and then number two is trading. So what do I mean by holding or hodling? The system where you buy cryptocurrency and hold it for bigger gains, where you buy those coins as they are small and hold it so that when the value goes times 10 or times 20 or times 30 or times 100, you'll be smiling to the bank. No, you'll be smiling to your wallet. Now, the second way which you can hold investment strategies in cryptocurrencies by trading. And trading will virtually mean the ability for you to predict the market and buy these coins while they're low and have it sold off when they're high in value, thereby creating profits for you on a daily basis. We would not talk about trading without looking into other aspects of trading, which we well know from all parts of human endeavor. Examples like stock trading, commodity trading, bond trading. These are different kinds of trading that we see all over the world. I know a lot of people have bought into stocks before and shares. I just want to know if you're bought into stock trading, if you have shares that you're holding, and you type a yes, I'm going to tell you I have a no. If you have shares in any company, because I see anytime I log into my GT Bank app, they're always trying to push me into buying shares. And I know a lot of story from people who bought shares before. So if you've ever bought shares, can you just use I have shares? Or Jabu says no, or Corey says no. Yeah, so these only yes, Hamza says yes. Right. So we can see that there are a mixed number of people who actually own shares or do not. When we say commodity trading, we say buying and selling of commodities like gold, silver, oil, agricultural products on marketplaces. There are quite a whole lot. Bond trading, buying and selling. What's going on? So bond trading will mean buying and selling of debt securities issued by governments or corporation. Now there are other different types of trading we're just gonna talk a little bit on, like options trading, futures trading, we have the Forex trading, and then cryptocurrency trading for what it is. Right, so we all know or we have heard about these different types of trading all over the world. But little do people know that there are different types of trading, that even the cryptocurrency market itself has its own trading system. And for your education, there are over 2,000 valid cryptocurrencies all over the world, and more are still created. That's going to let you know that as soon as the world begins to understand what the blockchain portends and what cryptocurrency is, which is the democratization of wealth, we'll begin to see the market begin to increase. The market was not what it is today 5 years ago. But as much more things begin to happen in different institutions, financial institutions, we're going to see much more people embrace cryptocurrency. Right about now, there are less than 5% of the entire world that knows what a cryptocurrency is, that actually owns a cryptocurrency or have done transactions in cryptocurrency. And now we're talking about crypto trading, in which there are 3 different areas. They got futures trading, they have margin trading, and then spot trading. What we deal on is spot trading, which is basically buying an asset when the value is low and selling for a higher price. And in spot trading, you actually buy crypto assets. So generally, spot trading in crypto refers to purchasing the token at a low price and selling it at a high price. Please note that you can actually lose your money trading futures and margin trades, but not with spot trading, because you are owning assets which go up and go down. So all you need is patience and discipline when trading in the spot market, because you can never lose your money. Now, we can't go on without talking about some few differences between the Forex market and the crypto market. And I'm pretty happy that we have some of my Forex trader guys on the call today. And like I explained to them, these are some of the differences that makes it a little more different and more profitable trading on the cryptocurrency market using a bot like RoyalQ. In Forex trading, the market is 5 days a week only. That's Monday to Friday. Of the cryptocurrency trading, the market is 24 hours, 7 days a week, non-stop. So you see that you have much more opportunity making money because the cryptocurrency market is a non-stop market. And then in Forex trading, you're actually trading fiat currencies like US dollar, GBP, Euro USD, USD JPY. But in cryptocurrency trading, you are trading cryptocurrencies. And like I said, there are over 2,000 valid cryptocurrencies today quoted on different exchanges. So in here, you will be trading BTC/USDT, ETH/BTC, BNB/BTC, and the likes. The volatility in the Forex market is basically lower, but the volatility in the crypto market is high, which creates much more value for the trader. So I can take 2%, 1% of a coin that is doing 20%, 10 times, and I'll still make quite as much, unlike the volatility in the Forex market. The Forex market is worth 7.5 trillion US dollars, but the crypto market today is estimated at a $2.4 trillion and growing rapidly. So when we say the bull run, when the bull run begins, we're going to see much more value of monies pumped into the market, because we know what's happening with the world today with the fall of stocks in the stock market, over $2.9 trillion last week. A lot of investors are taking out their monies from stocks and looking for a perfect way or perfect system where they can have their money stored in. And I tell you, investors are looking towards cryptocurrencies today. And that's why we say it is those who are first in the point of innovation that makes the most money. And that's why what you are hearing today is why people pay hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars to go do masters in. That's the knowledge you're getting today. And that's why you should take advantage. And so, in the Forex market, the market closes your trade in loss when your leverage capital cannot sustain the losses. But in Forex, in the crypto market, we don't virtually lose our monies, because here, losses are shown in crypto coins in your wallets. And these same assets may also increase in value over time. We've seen or heard a lot of people who have held coins for 1 year, 2 years, and then all of a sudden the value increases. As long as the coin is there, you have assets. But in the Forex market, a Forex trader will tell you to use a good risk management system. If you have $500 you're trading, you have to go into the market with just $100 and then keep $400 as leverage. So that just in case the trade is going against you, you have enough capital to leverage the losses until it reverses. The day it don't reverses, they don't tell you you lose your $400. What you have is just 100. It's so painful trading the Forex market. I was a trader for over the better part of 12 years, but I didn't have a whole year of happiness trading the Forex market. But with my few months of trading the crypto market, my story has changed. So with the Forex market, you can access the market through brokers. But with cryptocurrency trading, what you have is cryptocurrency exchanges that you can access the market with. Forex trading gives you the access to trade the currencies, not own them. So you're basically speculating when you say BTC, or when you say euros/GBP. You don't actually own euros. You don't actually own GBP. But in the cryptocurrency market kind of trading, you actually own the coins that you are trading. And that's why when you are trading on your RoyalQ app, the trades that you have placed, when you go to your Binance, you see that you actually have bought those coins, and you see the value for which the trade is ongoing right there in your Binance with your money 100% with you. And so when we say the market is bullish, we mean that there's positive sentiments everywhere. We expect uptrends to continue, higher volume with high price and demand higher than supply. When we say the market is bearish, there's a negative sentiment. So we're expecting uptrends to reverse, or high volume for lower prices usually shorts the stock. So we are in a system where right now we are in a bullish market where there's a high positive sentiment, and we expect uptrends to begin. So I think a question that you should ask now is, does the RoyalQ bot trade in the bull and bear market? And the answer is yes. The RoyalQ bot is designed to trade successfully in both the bull and the bear market. The bot employs various strategies and tools that allows it to adapt to different market conditions. And so the next question we have to ask ourselves is, what is this RoyalQ bot? What is this RoyalQ bot? RoyalQ bot is an automated cryptocurrency trading robot designed to help users trade digital assets more effectively by leveraging artificial intelligence with quantitative trading strategies. The long and short with all this many language is RoyalQ is an app that you can download in your phone and have it integrated to your exchange. So whatever money you have in your exchange, you can be using it to trade and earn money. So any money you are earning automatically goes to your exchange. Your money is not with the bot. You are not giving your money to anybody. Your money is with you. It's a simple process of just converting that your fiat currency into cryptocurrency. And that's all. And that's what the bot is about. You can go on any of your iPhone or Android. You can download this bot. They'll ask you for an invitation code. Make sure you ask the person who invited you to this call for his invitation code, and then you get started. That's what we are doing with this bot. It's awesome. So there are some advantages of this bot that you need to know. There's some advantages that you need to know. We're just going to touch about 6, just a few. There are much more than that. Automated trading. So you have an algorithmic trading that happens 24 hours of the day, 7 days a week. So what you have here is a high level of security, because I've never seen a business where you actually hold your trading money. Your trading capital is with you. When we're trading Forex, you first send that money to your broker, and then the broker now controls how the profits you get, how much she gets out of it, and then tells you, okay, when you request withdrawal, you get your money in 48 hours. But right here, as soon as the trade closes, your profit goes straight to your exchange wallet. Awesome, isn't it? Strategy customization. Here you customize strategy. And you see, that's why we are using what we call top gainer strategy, TGS. That's the strategy we use in trading. When you become a member of our team, we will show you how simple this strategy is. Even a 10-year-old can implement the strategy and earn. So you have real-time market analysis. The bot does that for you. In fact, there's a new update we'll talk about as the market, as the meeting goes on, so you understand that even the company wants you to win. It has a wonderful risk management system, and then it's user-friendly because you can have it on your mobile app and even on your desktop. So you can access it not just on your phone, you can access it from your computer. So how does the RoyalQ trade? How does the RoyalQ bot trade in a bearish market? How does the RoyalQ bot trade in the bearish market? It uses a system known as dollar cost averaging. For those who are in finances, will quite understand what it means. So during the bear market, the bot can use DCA to buy assets at different price points, reducing the average cost of holdings and preparing for eventual market recovery. So what it means is that we have margin calls in our trades. So even though the market is going down than what we anticipate, the bot automatically buys the dip for us. So in the event that the market is reversing, you reverse much more with profits than you anticipate, because the bot is linked to your spot wallet where you can use the USDT on there to buy the dip for you. And then it becomes awesome when you wake up to see profits just on there because the bot has done the work. So DCA simply means investing smaller amounts regularly for less stress for the investors, even in a turbulent market. Yeah, so here I want to talk a little bit about the awesome features that this company just brought out just a few days ago. And it is awesome because it even makes our work even easier. These are a summation of millions of data, which the bot automatically does and gives you a final conclusion. If it's a strong buy, if it's just a buy, if it's neutral, if you don't take the trade, you sure know that what we do here is just buy. With our martingale strategy bot, we buy at low price and sell. So there's not a buy and sell option like you're trading the Forex market. And there's nothing like a stop loss because, like I told my Forex guys, we are not planning to lose. So we're not saying that as soon as it's losing, stop at this place. We ain't planning to lose. All we need is patience. We've seen coins go down and come up, and that's the market for you. Right, so the strategies that we use make sure that you have access to earning daily with as less floating loss as possible. And so RoyalQ has even made it easier because with these awesome features, which the company has just launched, has made you know that when you're using your TGS strategy, you can scroll down a bit and see what the indicators are saying. And if it gives you that blue light, a strong buy or buy, you create your trade and then you make your money. It is that easy. So I just want to ask a question. We have 136 people in the house. Wow, that is awesome. So please, for the 136 people in the house, one question. Have you made money from RoyalQ this week? If you have made money from RoyalQ this week, just type a yes. If not big money, change that yes to capital YES. We understand. We know ourselves. If you have made money from RoyalQ this week, let's see a yes. For those of you who are just coming on the call, who wants to hear the opportunity and see if it's going to make sense, if you're going to try, look at what people are saying on there. You'll see the yes, there are many. Jabu's not a member. Chris is not a member. Mr. OC, yes, that's our V4 on there. Yes, so you see a lot of yeses in the house in here because this is a business where if you follow simple rules, simple thing, you ain't going to worry. Even though it's in cents, bros, you're making money. $1 today, now be 1,600 naira. Not even play. If you make $10 a day, you know where you are in this country right now. So these awesome features makes it a lot easier for all of us to make money trading with RoyalQ on the crypto market, ladies and gentlemen. So I know for those of you who have been following us, you quite understand that it's not rocket science. So what do you need to have your RoyalQ bot trading for you? First of all, you must have an exchange because your money is not with the bot. You ain't giving your money to nobody. You're just simply converting that your fiat currency into cryptocurrency USDT. That's it. So if you like, it's $50 you want to do. You say, make I put $100 first. Make I watch the system to know alpha. So if I put $100, how much I go to make in 1 month? That's the average question. The average question the average Nigerian will ask you when you tell them about the business. Now tell them, listen, you ain't giving your money to nobody to say trade for you. So you're doing it yourself. And when we teach you, when you do it yourself, you can make between 10 to 30%. Depend on the market. You can even make much more than that, depending on the market. And so you have to challenge yourself. Gone are the days when we give money to so-called companies to trade for this, for that. Listen, if you want coins, you buy the coins yourself. You want to trade, you trade yourself. But if you're too lazy to do that, then I'm sorry, this business is not for you. And so not only a verified exchange, you need a registered email and password, and just 120 USDT to rent the bot for 1 year. Then maybe some $20 or $50 change to be in the bot. So there's what is called fuel fees. So anytime you make profits off your trade, the company takes some shinkily amount in cents in order to cover that fuel fees. Just the way when you're transferring money to another person in the bank, your bank asks you for transfer fees and stuff. Even though bank won't pass only transfer fees, I think they have like 3 or 4 different fees when you are doing one transaction. Anyways, we move. So your trading capital in your exchange, maybe 50 or 100 or 1,000 or 10,000, each according to your ability. Please note, all your funds or your trading capital is in your exchange platform. You do not send money to the bot or anyone to trade for you. I can't continue to reiterate this. Say no to Ponzi. Say no to Ponzi, because it's not, look, you will cry at the end, not just your reputation, but other people's money. And so what are the ways to earn with RoyalQ? One, by trading capital, affiliate income, and team trading profits. So when we say trading income, for every time you trade, you earn money, and that is what is called trading income. So you earn every time the bot sells your coin, which you have created a trade for. Affiliate income is when you show this opportunity to anyone to come and become a crypto trader. A lot of people don't even have a job today. So, I mean, it should be sexy enough to say, listen, I'm a crypto trader. Some people never even know what to be cryptocurrency. Talk less of crypto trader. You know, yes, you're a crypto trader and you're proud of it. Because some people don't even know your industry, they don't even know it exists. Not to talk of making money from it. So each time you show someone this opportunity, they buy the bot or rent the bot, you get some amount of money paid to you. And then team trading profits. You earn a percentage of profits that the bot generates for your team. And people, no matter how you underrate what you've just heard, you don't understand until you start to beat all those V. When you go V2 or go V3 or go V4, you will continue to understand. But the most important thing we should know is that there are opportunities, not only trading, not just creating a team, even buying some coins and holding it in value. So there's 3 different ways you can actually make money from RoyalQ, not just trading in itself. This is the RoyalQ potential income for those who have hit the ranks from V2 to V3 to V4, V5, V6. So I just left VF to become V2. I think it was last week. And I begin to see some kind of money that just be coming into my account. I don't understand. Some kind of 10, some 15, some 50 cents, just like that. At the end of the day, they say, it is little drops of water that makes a mighty ocean. So basically, what you're saying can be even more if you're building a team. And I see nothing wrong in you building a team, because you know why? There's poverty in the land. People are suffering. I know people who are intelligent, who are smart. They don't even have a job. They are left at the hands of the mercy of politicians, maybe because they don't even have a way. Some of us here are paying people's salary every month. We are giving our dependents money every month. Create a trade account for them. Let them do their verification on their Binance or anything. Put the money on there for them to trade for themselves. This area we are, is better for you to teach people how to fish rather than to give them fish. Fisherman self never get fish again right now. But this era, it's not easy. And so we have different kinds of V in the house. I think I saw Dr. Money just strode into the house somehow. If she's in the house, maybe she holla now. We need to make a co-host. Let's see if Dr. Money is in the house. Yeah, Dr. Money in the house. Don't worry, just say a few words. You must hear from our mama now. The only V6 female in the in Africa. Don't play. Yeah, so we're going much more. We're almost done. How do I get started? First of all, get back to who invited you to use this link, to use the link they provide. And then to register your bot is free. You just use their invite link to register. Some people register so that they can have access to how the bot works. And there are in fact, there are a lot more exciting things on that bot. We cannot finish it in one call. Never. Even yesterday, I saw some exciting things that fear never made me talk first. I just quiet. You know, so many things happening on that board. We're just using the simple system, which we see that the company is even responding with updates on a steady basis for us. So you register and rent the bot and then add your file fees. And then with your trading capital in Binance, you have 100% of your money, the profits going directly to your exchange wallet, not the RoyalQ bots. What are the advantages of trading with RoyalQ? There's numerous, too numerous to mention, but we're just gonna say a little bit of them. No data is required to trade. You can trade at your own convenience. Set it and forget it. You can wake up in the morning, place your trade, go and do your job, do whatever you want to do. Take time, you check your trade, see how far they're going. If they made some profits, you place a trade again. And that's all. And playfully, you begin to see that you make profits. Much more profits than what those Ponzi guys used to tell us that they have this, they have that, they do this. We have everything now. We don't even need anybody anymore. Your capital is 100% in your possession, and your profit goes straight to your Binance, not the bot. This is a business. You can inherit, your kids can even inherit this business. In this business, there's no skill required, no degree certificate is required. And then there's no loss of funds, because patience is the key, as these trades must retrace over time. And then there's flexibility too. We can't even talk much about that. If there's anything you actually need your money for, nobody dies. You can close your trade and use your money to do whatever you want. Sweeter than you waiting for withdrawal. Before those guys will tell you there's been an upgrade in the system, withdrawal is going to be pended for now. You know, say don't boss. I be OT law. They are gone. Then you start crying. Oh God, why did I even trust them? Listen, this is a time where you have your money with you. You just need only 240 US dollars to start. In fact, you just need 140 because the 100 is for you actually. You're buying the bot for, you're renting the bot for 120, and then you have $20 for your fuel fees. You just need $140. I'll need to change this. Yeah, because whatever else you have is your money. That's all you need to start your RoyalQ. And then let's read a little bit here. Benefits and uniqueness. You can make between 5 to 30% monthly. Monitor and trade 24 hours and allows you to relax. The bot always buy at low price and sell at high price and takes maximum profit. The bot trades on special risk management system and always gives you profit. Sub-bin mode, the ability to take profit even when the price is falling down. And the multiple crypto trading at a time. And that is so true about this system. And so you hear me say top gainer strategy. Well, even if I say it from now to tomorrow, if you're not a member, if you're not activated your bot, you still will not understand how it works. But I just want to break down the small English on there. And even a 10-year-old can implement. Once the price action hits the lower or middle Bollinger Band, and the purple line of the KDJ indicator is above the two other lines and facing upwards, then you can create an order to buy. If you want to know how powerful that is, activate your bot. Activate your bot, and I'll tell you, you begin making money by yourself with the knowledge of the TGS, Top Gainers strategy. The key to getting ahead is getting started. Invest in 7 ventures. Yes, in 8, because you do not know what disaster may come upon the land. That is the book of Ecclesiastes 11, verse 2. In the morning, sow your seed, and at evening withhold not your hand, for you do not know which will prosper, this or that, or whether both alike will be good. Ecclesiastes 11, verse 16. And so, once again, we want to reiterate, even when you become a member, you're not left alone. We are a big family. Many of us have done different businesses together, so we know each and everyone's capabilities, and we know how to work together. We have our Sunday meetings, 8 p.m. West African time, where we do our crypto series education. Like this one we're doing, 8 p.m. we start. And then Tuesday, 9 p.m., we do our RoyalQ Crypto Traders Members Meeting, where we share much more ideal signal. We go in deep into what we want to have. So this brings us to the end of the presentation right here. I don't know if our Dr. Money can say a few words. Just hearing your voice with those formats of how we can become millionaires is awesome. Billionaires in Naira, millionaires in dollars. Dr. Money, please, if you can say a few words, it would be nice to hear from you. I saw one our OC Money. I don't know if he's still on the call. Don Chi. I can see Don Chi in the call. Can you please, sorry, I need to make you a co-host. Yeah, so if you have any questions, please feel free to use the chat. Just a few questions before we call it a day, because we're done right here. Please, are we to buy when indicator says strongly buy? Right, yes, you are to buy, but you have to also make sure that the indicator follows your strategy. Don't use only the indicator. That's what trading is about. Right. Okay, so I'm waiting for a few questions. If you have any questions, Dr. OC Money will need to hear from you, boss. I saw your celebration. Your wife hit, I think, was V3 or V2, and then you hit V3. I would like to hear from you, sir. It would be nice to hear from you. So just send me a message now so you can unmute. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Please ask a question about the arbitrary RoyalQ. I want to know your response to when to buy in the indicator. I've already explained that you don't use only the indicator. Make sure you have a strategy that follows the indicators. Indicators are just a part of it. Dr. OC Money, can you send me a message, please? Yes, you can start with a minimum of $140, $120 for your bot, $20 fee, and whatever you have as your capital in your Binance. Okay. Okay, Dr. OC, I've seen you. I need to close this first. Okay. All right, I want to make you a co-host now, Dr. OC Money. Please unmute yourself. It's good to hear from you, sir. How are you doing, sir?
Yes, boss. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Lawyer Taj.
It's good to hear from you, sir. Let's tell us a little bit about your journey in this business. You have 5 minutes. I'm sure you can break the ground.
This one is an ambush, like you're ambushing me, like.
Our V 1000 leader. We'll ambush you. Everything do with you, don't worry. You're all right.
You've really said it all, though. Like I like your vibe and the energy in the house is too much. And I wish everyone on board this meeting tonight will just key into it. It's amazing. It's amazing, honestly. So well done, Lawyer Taj. Well done, well done, well done.
Thank you, sir.
So, guys, you've heard it all. You've heard it all. There is no sugarcoating RoyalQ. That's just the truth. There is no sugarcoating RoyalQ. So, I tell my team members that a time will come in this business. You know, somebody will walk up to you and approach you that, hey, bros, I want to join crypto through RoyalQ. and you're going to give them appointments. Like you'll be giving them appointment like a governor. And you'll be like, okay, let me check my schedule to see when I'll be able to sign you up and activate you. And at some point, you'll be directing some persons to your lower team members. That is that's the stage we are going into now. Okay. So for some of us who have done product network marketing business and we've really pushed it beyond borders, I can tell you that promoting RoyalQ is the easiest business you can promote on earth. Is the easiest. So, but when I see people find it difficult dragging their feet to promote it, I get confused. I don't know whether they are bewitched from making money in this life, or there is this thing that covers their mind. Anytime they see a good opportunity, like their brain shuts down, So, but when they see the bad opportunity that comes in rainbow colors, that song that says my coat of many colors. Okay, so when they see all those wayo Ponzi, schemes that comes in coat of many colors, they jump into it, and you see them promoting it, dragging all their quality relationship into it, and within 1, 2, 3 months, you wake up one morning and you see 404 sites unavailable, system upgrade, and all that. So, but RoyalQ is completely different. There is nothing like. In fact, RoyalQ, from the time I joined RoyalQ, several system upgrades, sites upgrade. And guess what? Within those periods, if you have any money in your gas fee, in your fuel fee, which is asset, you can still withdraw it into your exchange. All right? Those who have witnessed that, they can confirm. Within those periods, your trades are still running. The only difference is that you cannot place new trade, and there are certain things you cannot do with the app. But you see that your capital that you are trading with is still intact. In fact, one of the upgrades that happened last, okay, I think the first time that I experienced it, so when it happened, me, I'm a very practical person. So what I did was I went to my Binance. So one of the coin I was trading, I went and stopped it on Binance and sold it there. Please, I'm not encouraging you to do that. But I'm just telling you this for you to know how strong and legit RoyalQ is. Do you know, I went and stopped that trade on Binance to tell you the total power and authority you have over your funds trading with RoyalQ. And I to USDT, I got my money. In fact, as at that time, Naira P2P was still on Binance. To further confirm it, that USDT I sold it to Naira, and the money hit my Naira account. This whole thing happened within 1 to 5 minutes. The upgrade was still going on in RoyalQ. And when everything happened, that trade that I altered in Binance, they removed it from RoyalQ and others continued. In fact, as at the time they completed, some other trade I've even sold, and I saw my profit. So that's how legit and how strong RoyalQ is. And if you have money to put into RoyalQ and make more money, do not hesitate. If you give me land business, which is touted as one of the best business you can do in the world, and give me RoyalQ and crypto business, I will grab RoyalQ and crypto business 1,000,000 times. Do you know why? This is one business you can do at the comfort of your home, even without letting anybody know you are doing it if you don't want to build a team, and you'll be making good money with peace of mind. So I'm just saying this to back up what Lawyer Taj have said, and my journey is just a pretty humble one. I started and I never wanted to, because I was just coming from a place of loss. Okay. where I lost about 120 million naira or more, in 3 different businesses all put together, that turned out to be Ponzi scheme. So RoyalQ came to me like a sucker to help me recover. So I just pulled the remaining resources I had and started trading. I never wanted to share. But when I now saw the benefit of sharing it with people, when I now saw that so many persons need this message to help themselves, my reason for sharing RoyalQ was not to make money out of team building. No, it was not to make money out of team building, because the people I'm bringing in, among all the people I brought into my team, I don't think if I have up to 5 persons who are trading more than my capital. So I'm not bringing you in because of how much you're coming in. Okay. For somebody that came in, I have stopped saying the amount I came in with, because I don't want to discourage those who are coming with small capital. So somebody who came in that way and he's telling you to come in and you are dragging your feet, come on, how much are you bringing in that will just lose and, the world will stop existing? So, but January this year, I started promoting the business. I started sharing it. And guess what? Just in 1 month, I gave myself a target of hitting V2 by signing up 20 persons. And in 1 month, in the month of January, from 1st to 31st, I hit that target. I signed up 20 persons, activated them, and I hit my V2. And now, this is where I am. We are heading to V4, and in a few months' time, we hit V4. So the benefit is enormous. Like, you cannot, it cannot be overemphasized. Build a team, learn about the business. Don't just register people if you are not ready to learn RoyalQ. This is an advice I want to put out to those who are hearing team building, team building, team building. If you are going into team building and you don't want to learn, please do not build team on the headache of your leader. Don't build team to kill your upline. No, please, if you want to build team, set out time to learn. I come from a school of thought that says knowledge is the new money. So if you want to build team, which of course will give you money, make out time to learn in total everything about this business. And I can assure you that in most weeks, the money you'll be making from your team building proceeds will even be higher than the profit you'll be making from your business, from your trading. Okay? So I do not really have much to say, but I'm here to say well done, Lawyer Taj. And congratulations, everyone who is already trading. And to those who are standing by, see, if you want to be a monitoring demon, you go die. You'll die monitoring. Let me tell you, if you're on this meeting, you are not yet a member of RoyalQ, and you just want to be attending Zoom presentation, monitoring people, as a monitoring demon. I say, I'm telling you this for free. Between now and December this year, you'll get heart attack. Your BP will shoot up 250 over 100. As in, I'm telling you, no matter the drug you say, it's not a cause, but I'm telling you what will happen. So the best thing that happens for you if you're a prospect is meeting. Drop your pride and call the person that invited you to this meeting and sign up. If you don't want to die of high BP or heart attack, just sign up immediately. It will do you good. It will do you good. I'm telling you the truth.
Thank you very much.
You're not signing up to help anybody. Okay? So you're not signing up to help anybody. So, like I said when I was talking, so many of us came into this business with mega money. Like when I mean mega capital that can change some people's fortune. So I don't know how much you'll come in with that will make somebody rich. Just start for your own good and start enjoying the benefits of crypto market through RoyalQ trading bot. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, the Dr. OC. Oh boy, this doctor not a play. He tell you as it be, whether you happy, not happy, now you know. He already knows what that business has done for him and how awesome it has been for him. That's one of my mentors in the business. I'm watching him from afar. With Dr. Money, you're saying no heart attack. Oh, you know what it means generally. Just to say one or two things. Dr. Money, if you have something to say, the floor is just 100%. Sunday Joseph, yes, please, you can ask your questions. I see your hand has been up since.
Okay. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
There's this question now. There's this new feature that you talk about.
Are you a member or you're a prospect?
New version that you.
Are you a member or you're a prospect?
I'm a member.
Then please wait for
Yes,
you have to wait for the members training. This is a prospect training. All those questions, you have to wait to the prospects training. So I'm just going through a lot of questions on the chat, and basically they are questions asked by members. Make time for that meeting by Tuesday, 9 p.m. You'll surely get answers to your questions. So in the midst of nothing else, I want to thank you all for the meeting. Like I promised, I want to make sure we close this before 9. It's 8:56. So in all ways that we always do, feel free to unmute yourself and say your goodbyes. God bless you. See you on Tuesday. Let's go, man. God bless you.
Good night. Thank you. God bless. Good night. Thank you, Lawyer Touch.
God bless you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.